Match the word. Match the word exercises are very useful in the sense that they not only build up vocabulary, but they also build up a great amount of understanding amongst the students. Starting from the primary school, usually pictures are given and then words are given at the bottom of the page to match the word with the pictures. That is how it is started in the primary school. And the students love to match the pictures with the words, and with this they can learn the vocabulary and also the names of the things. It can also be orally done with the students to match the word when they look at the things around them in the classroom. And they love to do and find different things and name them because they enjoy learning new words and the names of the things, and the same practice they can do at home with their parents or their family by naming the things which are around. Whereas on a worksheet, the teacher can give them pictures and the words which they match together. In the secondary school and the higher level school children, the teacher can provide two words which are similar in meaning, but the sequence of the words would be jumbled up. And the column A would be carrying the words which have to be matched with the words in the column B. But in the column B, the words which are similar to meaning in column A would be jumbled up. They would not be in the same sequence as the words in column A. And the students would have to match the word from column A to column B. There can be collocations also which can be used for match the word. But in other cases where the teacher wants the students to develop a habit of using more than one word for a particular meaning, match the word exercise is a good exercise to enable the students to look for another word. While doing the match the word exercise, sometimes students also come across a word which is also similar in the meaning but is not written in the list. The teacher may encourage the students to write the third word that they think is similar in meaning and to put that word in the line where they are matching the two words. So that means by this exercise, the students are learning to know more than two words with similar meaning. And such students should be encouraged because this way they are going to develop their vocabulary. And while writing an essay, if they need to use the same word 3 times, they can use 3 different words. And so on. If somebody knows 4 words of similar meaning, the students should be encouraged to write that in case they have time. These things should be more flexible while doing the classwork, or it can also be included in the homework if the students want to write more than one word. After matching the 2 words, they think there is another third word which matches the same word. They can do that, and the teachers should encourage and accept that. It should not be marked wrong just because the teacher is thinking that just these 2 words are to be matched. So that is discouraging the student to write another third word. So that would discourage the student to learn more vocabulary. Therefore, the teachers should encourage the students to write as many words as they think can match with the 2 words that are given. Also, the word exercise is done while reading a paragraph in an essay. This can be done at a higher level. The teacher can ask the students to underline the words which they think match with one another. And they can do that with using different color pencils. For example, if the teacher thinks there are 5 words which have another word to be matched in the paragraph, then she should ask them to use 5 different colors: black, blue, green, red, purple. So they can always match the word with the color. So if they find one word which is lovely in the paragraph and there is another word which is beautiful, so lovely and beautiful can be underlined by both green pencils.